Thanks so much for joining me in this video today. If you've got a flyer distribution service and you're looking for an affordable professional website for your business, you're certainly in the right place today, so keep watching this video. I'm going to be showing you how to build a website on the MultiSites platform. If you aren't familiar with MultiSites yet, we pretty much built the platform to remove all the barriers for small businesses, solopreneurs, people's various side hustles, so they can have a professional, effective, and easy to update website for an affordable price. It's only going to cost you $9 a month, and there is a free trial available for 7 days. No credit card details needed, so click on the link below this video. Once you join the platform, the very first thing it's going to ask you to search for your market at the top. We have hundreds of different markets to choose from. I'm going to go ahead and search for my market, flyer, distribution service. Let's go ahead and select that template. Awesome. Let's tell MultiSites a few basic details about our business so it can generate a simple website for us. I'm going to go ahead and pop in my company name as well as my city and my state or region. And it doesn't matter where in the world your business is located, you can enjoy the MultiSite service. We have happy users from all around the globe. Let's go ahead and click that continue button. Let MultiSite work its magic and create a simple website for my business. And there you have it. It literally did it in not even a minute. Let's take a closer look at what it's come up with together. Now, the beauty of MultiSites is we've pre-written all the content for you as a guideline. Of course, we've also pre-selected all the images. They're all really high quality. They're completely free for you to use as well. However, if you want to upload your own images of some flyers, maybe you have designed and distributed, and maybe make one or two amendments to that content, you can absolutely do that. I'm going to be showing you how to do that today. It's super simple. You don't need to know any sort of website coding or be a web professional of any sorts, or even hire anyone to help you with this either. You can do it all yourself, even if you're not that tech savvy. So let's click on the first section at the top. Go ahead and pop in our email address over here. Let's make sure that is visible on our website for our customers to see. So let's go ahead and tick the box. Great. Let's pop in our phone number over here. That is click to call, by the way. If you have a physical location, a street address, put in the details over here. Great thing about that physical location, when your website is live and your customers click on it, will automatically take them to Google Maps. Under update social links, you can put in the various social media platforms your business is active on. Icons will be displayed at the top as well as at the bottom. Let's go ahead and put in our logo over here to make our website look even more professional. Browse your device, upload your logo. If you want to make slight amendments to your logo, crop it, rotate, zoom in, add filters, frames, you can click on that pencil over it. Otherwise, click on save. On the right here, you can make it bigger and smaller. Now with MultiSites as well, we pre-selected all the colors for you. If you want to change them to go with your branding a little bit better, click on the paint buckets, no color coding necessary. So many color palettes for you to choose from. Awesome. Now for each section that you want to make amendments to, go ahead and click on update section directly underneath it. Head on over to update image first. Over here is where you can browse your device and upload your own images. Otherwise, search through the photo library, hundreds of images to choose from, all completely free for you to use. You can play around with the keywords a little bit and just see what images pop up. Under update action is where you can change that button. Currently says contact us today. You can change the text on that button over here, and you can link the buttons to various places. Under update content is where you can change that content that was pre-written for you to suit your business and your needs. Awesome. And the updates us section is where you can put a little bit more details of how your business came to be, how you got into this industry. Your customers would absolutely love to read about your story. In the last section is where your customers can reach out to you with their queries. All they need to do is put in their details, click on send, and you will get notified via your registered email you have a new lead from this form. If you have a custom domain for your business, go ahead and click on connect your domain. Say I already have a domain to set it up. Otherwise, click on this green button over here to purchase your own domain via the MultiSites platform to make your website look even more professional and trustworthy. Over here, you're in your Multi dashboard. You can find your leads via that form at the bottom in the section as well under View Leads. Really hope this tutorial was helpful in building a website for your flyer distribution service and really wishing you and your business mighty success.